So we have trained our model, register, download, also building Docker image, push it also to the container registry. Now we would like to deploy this image into Kubernetes. But wait, our workspace can't pull this image from the ACR. So let's fix this in 2 minutes. So today I will show you how to give machine learning workspace, let's see, a permission to pull Docker images from your Azure Container Registry. So with just few lines of Azure, let's see, CLI and DevOps pipeline. So let's first go to this is our pipeline. So it's a stage, and I was, let's see, move to assign pull request. So in the beginning, you have to go to the workspace, get the identity, and we need the principal ID. So with this one here, we will get the identity, and from the identity we will extract the principal ID. Now for that we will just for the we need the scope to give a permission, and here we have assigned this is the container registry, and here we have created A0 assignment create assignee, which is has to be the principal of the workspace. Then a role is ACR poll. So without this, we will not be able to pull the images indeed. And this is the scope we would like to give this role. Let's see. And we one note here. It's let me just copy this and search who is this, because so now you can see it's trying to get the workspace, which is the workspace ID, the principal ID. Can't see it, but let me just copy the other one. It's identity. So I prepare the commands here, and if everything is running perfectly, so I just now sometimes you have no identity type as a system assigned. So let's say you have already created workspace with the default setting, and you have no permission. Let's see, this is not by default. So now you will check if your workspace has identity and principal ID, then this should work here, for instance. So these, and if not, you have to update the workspace with set identity type system assigned. So with this, start with this and following with these steps here. So this will give the a permission to the workspace to pull the image from the registry. I think that's it for today, and thanks for watching.